Origami, the art of folding paper to create intricate shapes, has a rich history that spans over 1,000 years. But did you know that origami originated in ancient Japan as a way to make offerings to the gods? In Japanese culture, it was believed that the act of folding paper could bring good fortune and peace. The art of origami was known as ori, which means folded or bent, and kami, which refers to the gods. By creating intricate shapes and patterns on a piece of paper, artists were able to convey their thoughts and prayers to the divine. One of the most famous examples of ancient Japanese origami is the Kusudama ball. This intricate sphere is made up of hundreds of small balls, each one carefully folded and attached to its neighbor. The result is a stunning and delicate orb that seems almost otherworldly. But what's truly remarkable about the Kusudama ball is its connection to Buddhism. According to legend, the art of origami was created by Buddhist monks who wanted to create small offerings for the gods. These tiny balls were believed to have the power to bring good luck and ward off evil spirits. Despite its ancient origins, origami, as we know it today, did not emerge until the 17th century. This was largely due to the influence of European art and culture, which introduced new folding techniques and materials. The modern paper crane, for example, is a symbol of peace and friendship that originated in Japan during this time period. The paper crane has become an iconic symbol of origami, but it's not the only famous shape. In Japan, there's also the hinamatsuri, a delicate lantern made from intricately folded paper. This beautiful shape is used to celebrate the doll festival, where girls dress up as dolls and pray for their health and happiness. Origami has come a long way since its humble beginnings in ancient Japan. Today, artists around the world continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with paper and folding techniques. From intricate flowers to complex animals, origami shapes have become an integral part of modern art and design. But despite all the advancements, origami remains rooted in tradition and culture. Many artists still draw inspiration from ancient Japanese techniques and patterns, while others continue to innovate and experiment with new materials and methods. Whatever the style or technique, one thing is certain: origami has captured our hearts and imagination for centuries. As we fold paper into intricate shapes and designs, we are not just creating something beautiful. We are also tapping into a rich history and cultural tradition that spans over 1,000 years. So next time you pick up a sheet of paper and start folding, remember the ancient Japanese monks who first brought origami to life. So whether it's the delicate Kusudama ball or the modern paper crane, each fold is a testament to the enduring power of art and creativity. Origami may have started as a simple way to make offerings to the gods, but today it's so much more. It's an invitation to explore, create, and connect with something deeper and more meaningful than ourselves.